Josh from Melbourne.
Hello, hello. Your question is, what is the difference between knowledge and wisdom? I repeat, what is the difference between knowledge and wisdom?
For me, the difference between the knowledge and the wisdom is that knowledge is, this is something that we can learn, right? Not just in our home, but also in our schools. So we can earn knowledge, not just to the people who are around us, who teach us. And then, while the wisdom, this is something that one of the elements of having a good personality as a person. So, yeah, so yeah, for me, that is the difference between knowledge and wisdom. Thank you.
I picked Judge Miss Janine Barcarce. The name says it all.
Hello, candidate number 4.
Hello, Judge number 3.
So this is your question.
And this is my answer.
Okay, sige. If you will be given the power of time machine, in which part of your life would you like to go back and why?
I have so many things in mind, but I would like to answer this question with all of my heart. Last year, December 31st, my father died because of lung cancer. It was very devastating. My family and I were so down and we don't know how to move forward. But then again, I saw the silver lining within that situation, that I have to use that experience for me to be able to inspire other people. That's why someone standing in front of you tonight is bald. Not because my hair is not growing. No, hindi po dahil doon. But because I am advocating for cancer awareness. That is the main reason why I am bald. So if I have given the chance to enter a time machine, I will go back to the moment that my dad is already in his deathbed. I want to tell him that, Dad, whatever happens, I will continue your legacy. And I will continue to make you proud, even if you die today. And I think that is my only reason why I am here tonight. Hindi para makipagmagandahan sa kanila. Maraming magaganda, maraming sexy. Pero ako, ang inilalaban ko ay yung puso ko para sa kapwa. For you to be able to be called as a queen, you have to share what you have to other people. You have to live to inspire. At sana, kahit sa katanungan kong ito, bilang mag-iisang taon na po ang kamatayan ng aking ama, nawa siya ay nakatingin sa akin mula sa langit at nakangiti. At saka niya sinasabing, anak, I am proud of you. Thank you. Ganun lang po ang Q&A, hindi kailangan magalit. Thank you.